Alright, we've got this PC here. This one is a clone. Apparently it's been sitting, never been used for a long time. Okay, let's see what the issue potentially is. I suspect it's a power supply. Maybe, maybe not. Okay. Power. Button. Nothing. Okay. Let's see if there's a short or there's a power problem. Okay. Okay, so we'll have screws. Okay, now, looks like the PSU is still good, like a new condition. Okay, let's take the, okay, let's fix this up a little bit. Okay, alright, let's take this out. There's an SSD here. So this was meant to be a backup, okay. But it's not a backup by the looks of it, since it's not working. Okay, and power it this way. Do we have a light? Nothing yet. Power button? No. Double check. It is in the on position. Nothing. See if the power button's plugged in. Where's the power? Oh, they go here. That's an interesting design. Power is the first one. Okay. So power supply is good. There's another new power supply just for argument's sake. This doesn't look, oh, did I? No, I did connect the other one, okay. So this guy, this guy has like a server motherboard. It's a different type of motherboard. I haven't seen this design. Okay, same thing here. Okay. Okay, let's do some testing. Disconnect front USB, reconnect the power. Okay, take the RAM out. Power. Just check that is the power button, yeah? See if it does work. Power on. Yeah, that is the power button. Okay. Hey, hello. Yeah. Okay. Now, what do we do about here? There's a daughter board. Power is on, off. Not a daughter board, the USB hub. And still nothing. Okay. Okay, that's taken out. Is that a Matrox? What is this? 2005 G550 PCIe Matrox. Yeah, I was right, Matrox. Oh, super micro, wow. Okay. No. Battery shape doesn't look good. Shouldn't really matter. No, okay. Voltage, mode. Okay. The power button is there. Is it something plugged in? Nope. Yeah, 5 volts is there. The power supply is fine. So what could be the problem? What could be the problem, doctor? Let's just have a look physically. Oh, the front was here. Let's check that. No. Hello, SureCan speaking. Okay, this one, they want to repair the motherboard. All right, it's gonna be a tough one. Okay, let's put all these guys back. Anything else here? Okay, that's it. We'll come back to this job later on. You can go to sleep, champ. All right, see you later.